So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a no start issue generally on this pit bike. So the first thing you're going to want to do is check if it has spark, and I'm not going to show you everything in detail because this is pretty straightforward stuff. On these little pit bikes it's pretty easy to work on. The first step here is right here is your spark plug. You're going to first check if it has spark. So you unplug this little plug here, you unscrew the spark plug, then you connect it to this little socket here, then you touch it to the ground of the bike and you kick it over, and if it shows a spark, that means you have spark. If it doesn't, then that means you've got some kind of electrical type issue. Now for me, I have spark already. That's done, that's finished and checked. The next thing you're going to want to double check if it has compression. Generally you should probably get a compression tester to do this, but what I just do is I take out the spark plug, stick my finger there and see if it will suck my finger into the hole, so you can feel the compression as you kick it over. So once you got those two things, what you're going to want to do is, just to double check everything is working fine, is just to spray in a little bit of gas or carburetor cleaner straight into the hole, put back on the spark plug, put this back on and kick it over. If it kicks over and it starts for like a good 1 or 2 seconds, that means that you've got some kind of fuel delivery problem. So the next step you're going to want to do is check if your carburetor is clean, and generally it gets clogged up if you leave it for a long time or if you ride it in dirt areas like how I do. As you can see, my bike's pretty dirty, got a lot of dust on it. But anyway, you're going to want to unscrew the two screws that go to the carburetor, which is normally right here. And here is the carburetor on my bike. So what you're going to want to do is just take off the bowl, drain out all the gas inside. You're going to have all these parts from the carburetor, the gasket, the float, the little needle valve, this bowl here, and then these two jets. So these two jets, there's two of them. These are the main culprit. These are the main culprit generally on these carburetors. When I opened this up, it was pretty dirty in here, so I took some compressed air from my compressor right here, and I sprayed it inside of here and cleaned it up because it's just pretty dirty. Then I checked these two valves here, and what you're going to want to do is make sure every single crack, every single hole is all cleaned out. Compressed air is the best way I found to get it done. Alright, so now I'm just going to put back on the carburetor and it should be good to go. I'll show you guys how it starts up. Also make sure your lines like these right here don't have any dust on it, because this goes straight into the carburetor and it's going to mess it up. So make sure this is also clean. Anyway, I kind of cheated there a little bit because I took out the spark plug and put in a little bit of carburetor cleaner just to, kickstart it up faster. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you get a no-start bike to run. It's pretty straightforward. You need three things: compression, spark, and fuel. So that's pretty much it here for today. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Share the video if it helped you. I don't know, donate to my, whatever. Peace out, guys.